Western Mass News is digging deeper into the background of a Palmer man who's accused of intentionally setting a fire earlier this year. Good Monday evening, everyone. I'm Chris Pisano. That man is the cousin of the Hampden County District Attorney. Western Mass News reporter James Villalobos has read through those court documents and joins us now with what he found. James?
Yeah, well, Chris, that man is 63-year-old Joseph Gallooni Jr. And while we were at Palmer District Court, we picked up documents that detail more about his run-ins with the law prior to his arrest on Friday. This was the scene on Palmer Road in Three Rivers June 4th when a 4-alarm fire destroyed a house. 2 people were inside at the time of the fire, but they were able to escape. That property was owned by Joseph Gallooni Jr., and after an investigation by the Palmer Police Department, the State Fire Marshal's Office, and the Three Rivers Fire Department, officials tell Western Mass News that they believe Gallooni intentionally set that fire. Now, as a result, he's facing a number of charges, including 2 counts of attempted murder, arson, and burning a building to defraud an insurer. On Monday, he pleaded not guilty, but court paperwork shows those are not the only charges he's faced. Back in October 2010, Gallooni was charged with operating under the influence and assault and battery on a police officer. Both of those charges were dropped on recommendation of the probation department. Then in August 2013, he was found guilty of a second offense of operating under the influence. He was also found guilty of assault and battery on a police officer. He was charged with negligent operation of a motor vehicle and failure to slow down, but those charges were dismissed at the request of the Commonwealth. And just last year, he faced even more charges. Those include a third offense of operating under the influence, negligent operation of a motor vehicle, operating a motor vehicle with a suspended license, and driving an uninsured motor vehicle. All of those charges are still pending. The DA's office tells us that a special prosecutor has been brought in to handle this case from Worcester County. Gallooni is being held behind bars until a dangerousness hearing on Wednesday. James Villalobos, Western Mass News.